of rock mechanics. Recently, we climbed a mountain to measure the strike and dip value of rock ourselves, and we prepared an exciting quiz show based on the data. Additionally, we've invited a rock mechanics expert to help explain the theoretical concepts in the simple and clear way. Now, let's get started with rock mechanics quiz show.
Okay, I will explain about the theory. Let's see the definition of the strike. The definition of the strike says intersection line of the horizontal plane and a plane of beatings and faults and joints. And by the definition, we can draw the strike like this. And we can see the definition of the dip is the slope in the plane of the beddings and faults and joints, which we can draw like this. And when we see the dip direction definition, we can see like maximum slope direction. So we can draw the dip direction like this. Okay, let's see the direction cosine method to calculate the representative value of delta and beta. We can see the delta here, and we can calculate the cosine delta, and by this we can obtain the L and M values, and we can obtain the N value also. And when we calculate these values, and we can put the values to that equation, so we can get the representative value of delta and beta. And we can also calculate the concentration factor by this equation.
Now, let's move on to the first question based on the theory explained by our experts. Question 1. What do we call the intersection line where the horizontal plane meets the bedding plane, fault, or joint? Alright, has everyone written down the answers? The correct answer is strike. Wow, everyone got the right answers. This question was way too easy, wasn't it? But the next one might be a little trickier, so stay focused. Now it's time for the second question. The table displayed on the screen contains the strike and dip values we measured, and these values are used to create a stereographic projection. Here's the question. Using the value from the example on the screen, draw a stereographic projection. Alright, let's see the answers. The correct answer is participation 2. Congratulations! Can you briefly explain how to draw the projection?
A stereo net can be drawn through the strike and dip obtained through the experiment. Information about its continuous surface can be displayed in 2 dimensions. At this time, stereographic projection method is used. It can be drawn using the strike, dip, and dip direction. After that, a normal vector can be drawn on the discontinuous surface at the center of the sphere. And the pore in the plane can be obtained by connecting the point where it meets the sphere and the zenith. To solve this question, first prepare the semi-transparent paper on the net. To draw 60, 30 SC, rotate the strike with a total of 6 spaces. The most important thing at this time is to leave the semi-transparent paper as it is and just turn the net. Turn it until north reaches 60. Since drip is 30, raise it by 3 spaces and draw an arc. And then add 90 from that value and stamp the pore.
That was an excellent explanation. Now, let's move on to the final question. Using the table on the screen, calculate the concentration factor. Since it's the last question, take your time and think carefully. Alright, let's check the answers. The correct answer is participation 1. Congratulations! Can you briefly explain how to calculate the concentration factors? To find the value of Kf, we first need to find the magnitude value of R. Which can be calculated as the sum of all the L values squared, the sum of all the values of M squared, and the sum of all the N values squared, then rooted. Kf is N divided by N minus R values. Since N is a number, we can substitute 10 and find the Kf has a value of this. Wow, that was a fantastic solution. And with that, participation 1 is crowned the winner of today's quiz show. Everyone, let's wrap up today's rock mechanic quiz show. Thank you to our participants, our experts, and all of you watching. See you next time.